Gala price projection, which scenario holds higher probability of 45% surge or a 30% decline. In summary, the price of Gala has experienced a decline below a declining resistance line since the commencement of January. The rejection occurred on August 6 as a result of the line. The data on both the daily and 6-hour timeframes exhibit bearish tendencies, suggesting the possibility of a sustained decline in prices towards the horizontal support region at $0.0150. In spite of the bearish price forecast, the potential recapture of the $0.0225 horizontal region has the potential to alter the short-term trajectory towards a bullish outlook. This has the potential to induce a 45% rise. The price of Gala experienced a decline after breaking through a support level that was horizontally aligned in the short term. Currently, it is nearing the region of its historical lowest price. The readings obtained from both the daily and 6-hour periods exhibit a bearish sentiment, so providing support for the ongoing downward trend. The Gala exhibits a decline below the level of long-term resistance. The price of Gala has exhibited a downward trajectory, aligning with a lowering resistance line from the onset of the year. A comparable decline has been observed in Bitcoin and the remaining cryptocurrency market. The most recent occurrence of the line resulted in a rejection on August 6, as shown by the presence of a red icon. The price has experienced a decline subsequently and continues to trade below the declining resistance line. If the ongoing decline persists, it can be anticipated that the region at an all-time low of $0.0155 will serve as a level of support. The area exhibits a decline of 28% relative to the prevailing pricing. Conversely, the growth rate of Gala may see a substantial rise of 45% in the event of a breakout. In this scenario, it is anticipated that the $0.0320 region will serve as a point of resistance. The Daily Relative Strength Index, RSI, exhibits a bearish trend, suggesting that the prevailing downtrend is the most probable trajectory for future prices. By utilizing the Relative Strength Index, RSI, as a momentum indicator, traders are able to assess the potential overbought or oversold conditions within a market. This information aids in making informed decisions regarding the accumulation or sale of assets. Bullish market conditions are observed when the Relative Strength Index, RSI, reading exceeds 50 and exhibits an upward trend. Conversely, bearish market conditions prevail when the RSI reading falls below 50. The indicator is currently below 50 and exhibiting a downward trajectory, indicating a bearish trend. Price projection for Gala, potential decline may trigger substantial decrease. The technical analysis derived from the 6-hour chart is consistent with the bearish signals observed on the daily timeframe. The primary factor contributing to this phenomenon is the persistent decline below the horizontal level of $0.0225. The region had functioned as a source of assistance for a duration of around 60 days prior to the occurrence of the current breakdown. Hence, there exists a potential scenario wherein the price has initiated a decline towards the historical low level of $0.0150. The possibility is further substantiated by the RSI. During the occurrence of the market disruption, the Relative Strength Index, RSI, exhibited a decline below the threshold of 50, as indicated by the red symbol. Subsequently, the RSI has continued to decrease, which serves as an indication of a bearish trend. In light of the negative Gala price projection, it should be noted that a potential indication of a bullish short-term trend would be the successful reclamation of the $0.0225 horizontal area. In this scenario, it is anticipated that there will be a breach of the falling resistance line, followed by a subsequent 45% surge towards the next resistance level at $0.0320. Bitcoin price prediction as crypto prices fall and BTC falls to $29,000. Here are key levels to watch. Once again, the unpredictable nature of the cryptocurrency market is shown when Bitcoin, the most popular digital currency, takes a big hit and falls to around $29,000. Even though the prices of all cryptocurrencies are falling, there is still a lot of debate about Bitcoin's near path and stability. At the moment, the price is just below $29,000. And buyers and traders are keeping a close eye on possible shifts and key levels that could determine the next step. Even though Bitcoin dropped 0.92% in the last day, CoinMarketCap still puts it at the top. But as this digital giant nears the point where it can no longer make any more, the market could be set for more changes. Here's a better look at what's going on right now and what to expect. How much will Bitcoin cost? Bitcoin, the most popular cryptocurrency, seems to be going down. It recently went below the important $29,000 mark. Bitcoin is going below its 50-day exponential moving average, which is a sign of a bearish position. A break of the $29,250 mark could make today's downtrend even worse. This bearish outlook is backed up by current technical signs like the Relative Strength Index, RSI, and the Moving Average Convergence Divergence, MACD. Bitcoin's immediate resistance is around $29,050, and a close below this could mean there are good chances to sell short. On the downside, Bitcoin's most important support is near the $29,000 mark. Any drop below that could bring its value up to around $28,750. On the other hand, if Bitcoin breaks through the resistance at $29,250, it will be ready to meet the next resistance at $29,400. Around $29,600, a further rise is expected to run into strong resistance. To sum up, buyers must keep a close eye on the $29,250 mark at all times. Bearish patterns, like a descending engulfing candlestick, settlements below the 50-day moving average, and other bearish indicators, like the RSI and MACD, are all things to watch out for because they could mean a downturn in the day's trading session. Vitalik Buterin, the co-founder of Ethereum, has praised X's new Community Notes feature, pointing out that, despite not being a cryptocurrency, it aligns with core blockchain beliefs. In December 2022, Community Notes was launched by X, the social media giant that used to be known as Twitter. Since then, its popularity has steadily grown, and it has become one of the most important tools on the site. Community Notes is an open-source project, which means that anyone can contribute. Even though the feature is still in its pilot phase, it is a key part of a growing community of people who want to find and fix false information on the microblogging platform. Vitalik Buterin said that the tool and some